a shed. I had a little bitty screech owl.
Yeah. We're playing if the baits haven't already got it.
Kind of amazing looking eyes.
I didn't know. She's loved.
So most birds, the eyes are kind of on the back, on the sides of the head. The house, like the person's kind of at the front. Does that help with depth perception?
Yeah.
Very different from the hoots around here. It's very soft, raspy hoot.
He's got a file in there. So.
Man. Calling on the way up here, now nothing. That's typical.
Is that big for eating fish or cracking nuts? Or what?
Nope, it's for holding on to mice. Even though they're in the kingfisher family, the largest member of the kingfisher family, they're found what's really dry, so they'll scoop up insects and little lizards and rodents, and they'll smack it against a branch and swallow them whole.
Ruthless Australians.
So that kind of stay like kingfisher in them.
Yep, so they look like basically big brown belted kingfishers. Yeah, around here.
I love her tail coming down underneath there, and it's very colorful. You. But I'm third anyway.
I drew his tail separate.
Yeah.
Shrublands of eastern and southern Australia. It's a dry shrubby habitat.
Of Eastern Australia?
Eastern and southern Australia.
We scheduled to go from 12 to 2.
Okay.
Is he looking at you?
What kind of parrot? Or is it a parrot?
Yeah, it's a yellow-naped Amazon parrot. What kind of bird is it?
What'd she say?
So Mort's a bad bird. We used to have a bird. His name was Mort. What kind of bird is Mort? Because Mort, we used to have a thing. Mort was a yellow or African gray, and they would be out on stage at the same time. And Mort would wolf whistle at Coco. So Coco, hear your Tarzan call. Lance House. Sing the baseball song. One more time. Good job.
He likes what, fruit and
It looks like a lake.
Still no. You're fine. You are a ham, I think.